Tanong ng marami kung kumusta na ba ang World Up, kung babalik pa ba. Ito yung usaping World Up.
Tools for Humanity is a US-based technology company. It is founded by Sam Altman, the same Sam Altman behind OpenAI and also ChatGPT.
Pinag-uusapan nila about sa violation ng privacy. Ayan.
As we aim to operate once again here in the Philippines and hopefully build a great network of verified Filipinos. In terms of what we have violated, we do have to respectfully disagree with some of the claims and interpretations of the National Privacy Commission.
Dito binanggit niya rin ang tungkol sa mga nare-receive na WorldCoin after magpa-verify.
The NPC is making is because there is some financial element to the World Project, which is the World Coin. So once you are a verified human, one of the things that you can do is you can claim some World Coin, some cryptocurrency through the World app. And there's monetary value to the World Coin, and people are able to actually take that and sell it on some crypto exchange in the Philippines, like Gcrypto or PDAX or Coins.ph.
In-explain niya naman dito ng maigi na may mga ang company, hindi lang World Up, yung kahit yung mga bank ay merong mga pa-incentives or promotional offers. Dito rin ay sinagot niya yung kung meron pang consent yung mga taong sumasali sa World Up, yung mga nagpapa-iris scan sa herb ng World Up. Ayan.
You want to make sure that before you get verified, you fully understand what this project is about. You fully understand what you can use your World ID for. And by the way, this is 100% voluntary.
Dito kinukompare ang pagkuha ng eye scanning, okay, sa Philippine National ID natin sa scanning ng World Up.
Kinuha mo kasi yung iris ng tao at ginagawa po yung pagkuha ng iris sa National ID. Ibang sistema nga lang. Sa National ID, kukunin yung iris. So, ginawa na pala natin yan. Nagawa na, pero iba yung implementation nila. Okay. Yung sa kanila, orbs eh. Yung sa atin, yung parang binoculars ang kinakabit. I see.
Gaano ba ka-sensitive ang pagkuha ng iris scanning?
Orb kasi, pagkuha mo ng iris, siyempre, pag biometric yan, personal information na yan. Sensitive personal information pa. Pero yung kanila, ang ginagawa namin, nung nakita ko, ginagawang numero, 0166, something. Hindi yung hindi yung pangalan mo. Hindi yung pangalan mo. Hindi rin yung picture ng iris mo. So, parang may serial number. Tama. Okay. So, pag nakuha mo yon, hindi mo malalaman kung sino yan. Tapos,
Usaping cryptography and cybersecurity.
yung cryptography at saka cybersecurity, yung disiplina na yan, ang hirap ipaliwanag eh. Pero ganito na lang, sisimplihan natin. Sige. Please, yung mata mo, i-convert nila ng isang mahabang numero. Tapos, para masigurado na hindi malalaman kung sino ka, hindi nila mare-reverse engineer na, mata pala ni Secretary Henry yun. Pinuputol-putol pa nila. So, para bang may ID number ka na 9 digits, tapos pinutol sa 3. Yung first 3 parts pumunta sa Amerika, yung second part pumunta sa Australia, yung third. So pag nakuha mo yung first part na yun, hindi mo ma-identify yung tao.
Dito naman, kinukompare niya kung paano ang pagkuha ng ating national ID dito sa Pinas at saka sa World Up.
Yan, yung national ID, pag nakuha ko na yung national ID at saka yung iris mo, nandun sa database namin. Yung sa World Up kasi, pag nakuha na niya yung tinatawag nila na iris ID, binubura na niya yung personal identifiable mo.
And then you are reserved to a number.
You are reserved to a number
That
and
is divided by possibly 3
Tama.
and sent to what? Different, totoo yun? Different,
3 nodes.
Three
As of
nodes.
today, will be more. UC Berkeley in California, FAU, a university in Germany, and Nethermind in the UK. And our hope is to have more and more nodes. We would love to have a university here in the Philippines to be one of the nodes, because the more nodes they are, the more secure
complicated
it will be.
Yeah.
Dito naman ay pinag-usapan kung may pagbabago ba na mangyayari after napatigil ang operation ng World Up.
We have not changed anything.
Okay.
In terms of our process and what we are doing in the Philippines to
transparency is critical to our operations, and we continue to be and we plan to be transparent in everything that we do.
May mga pag-uusap kami na ginagawa ng MPC kasi yung ganyang technology kasi first of its kind sa mundo yan eh. And maganda pag ma-adapt natin sa Pinas.
Talking about if MPC and World Up will engage one another.
Na binigyan mo ng green light yan to go full blast, mabilis ang adoption yan. So I think they're just being prudent.
But they were given the green light.
Well, that's on the sandbox muna. Now, I think I'm confident na once NPC and WorldCoin starts talking and engaging one another again, they'll find a way forward. Kasi ano naman yan technology is flexible. They can adjust to it. Basta malinaw lang kung saan sila papaling. And NPC on the other hand naman is very rational. I've seen situations where NPC is able to grasp the need of the times.
Ang World Up daw ay safe. Ayan.
Be safe, extremely safe. One of the questions that keep on arising is, will my data be stolen? Right. As we had discussed. Right. Within seconds of the orb taking your picture and creating the iris code, it is sent to your phone, the user's phone, and deleted from the orb. Nothing is stored after 10 to 12 seconds in the orb. Everything is in the user's phone.
So ayan, in-explain niya dyan kung paano masisave yung iyong data after mo magpa-verify sa herb. So hindi siya masisave. So, masisave lang yun sa phone kung saan yung iyong World Up account. Ayan.
Going through the verification that we ask the users to do is to back up their phone to their own personal cloud. So I had to do it several months ago when I got a new phone. What if I don't want the cloud? If you don't want to, then there's some risk to that.
So ayan, sabi niya kapag hindi ka nag-backup ng iyong account, so may risk yun, mawawala na tuluyan ang iyong World Up account. Ito naman ay tungkol sa usaping hacking. No, yung mga natatakot na ma-hack yung kanilang social media account or yung kanilang mga bank account.
It's impossible to trace it back to you. But then in addition to that, if anyone were to hack anything, there's no information to hack. Because at no point do we collect any personal information whatsoever. That is one of our policies that we are very strict with. And you
So ito na yung tanong ng marami kung babalik pa ba ang World Up o hindi na. So dito masasagot. Ayan, pakinggan nyo.
The NPC has thought of it that stop muna.
Yeah.
Tapos aralin natin. So sa akin, hindi masama yun. Kasi alam nyo nga, very vigilant sila. And as I've said, since Monday when announced this, nag-uusap na kami ni NPC and inaaral na nila. In fact, over the weekend, we had a long conversation about this. And maganda naman yung usapan namin.